Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your world. Back up the saves and world folder now so you can revert changes. Next, open the Minecraft launcher and select a clean, vanilla profile, no mods or forge, so you can isolate safe mode causes. Then check Java. Make sure the Java runtime matches the game's recommended version, update if needed. Once those steps are done, restart the launcher and attempt to load the world to see if safe mode persists or clears. Now isolate the problem by disabling add-ons systematically. Rename the mods folder to force a clean start. This temporarily disables every mod without deletion. If you use data packs or resource packs, remove the newest ones first and try loading again. Open the launcher logs to spot error messages that point to specific mods, versions, or missing libraries. Logs often reveal mismatched API or dependency failures. If a mod finish by creating a fresh launcher profile using the latest stable game version and load a vanilla world to confirm baseline stability. Once confirmed, reintroduce mods one at a time and check compatibility notes before each launch. This prevents re-triggering safe mode. If you still see safe mode, reset client settings by deleting the options. TXT file so corrupted settings aren't forcing a safe startup. Then reapply conservative video and performance settings. If nothing works, use the logs to report the exact error when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.